Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we have some peppers. Now, do your peppers look like this? So this one right here in the middle, it's got a little spot right there. So this is called Blossom and Rot. So we are in our pepper patch right here. These are all peppers. And then our tomatoes are behind us. But what causes this is a calcium deficiency. So last fall, I did a soil test on this whole garden area. And if you look, calcium was way low. Now, last fall, this is our first year gardening. So last fall when I seen this calcium reading was way low, I didn't necessarily know what it meant or what it would do to the garden. So I didn't really do much of anything. As you can see, everything is pretty high. So the only thing that I really did do is add urea. I added nitrogen to this, and especially the corn, because the corn needs it to grow. But that's all I really did. I didn't add anything to this garden. And because this used to be an old pasture lot, pigs and cows used to be in it, that's why the readings are so high. So when we planted these peppers, they were going strong, and then we had a few that looked like that. And we're like, why? What is going on there? We weren't seeing a whole lot of bug damage. We're like, what is going on? And I got to researching, and when your plants are calcium deficient, they do that. So what we have here is calcium nitrate, and it actually says helps prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes, and it works in peppers. If you read it on the back, it gives you a whole, in vegetable gardens, particularly for tomatoes and peppers. So what we're going to do is, you do not want to put this straight on the plants. So what we're going to do here is we're probably should wear a glove if you're going to do it this way. I'm not sure how to do it any other way to be the most effective in right now. This fall, what I'll probably do is buy a bag of calcium or two and spread it over the whole garden, so that way the whole garden is getting it. But for right now, we're just going to focus on the peppers and the tomatoes. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a small pinch, and now this says do not get it anywhere 2 inches or closer to the stem. So this is actually going to work out all right, that it's kind of foliaged out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to sprinkle this ever so lightly around the whole plant. And then we're going to do this on every plant. But we do not want it to be touching the stem or touching the leaves probably. And then we want it to be watered in. Watering it in is going to get it down to the ground. It's going to get the calcium back into it. It's going to let it grow. So that is how we are going to help prevent and hopefully get rid of blossom end rot. We have a lot of nice peppers coming on here. So especially like this guy right here, it's got a lot of flowers. So we want to try to prevent that. We are getting some bug damage, it looks like. So we may have to maybe try to do something for that. But for this, that's what we're doing. So I hope this helps. If it does, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. And we will see you in the next one.